Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 2 की कंप्यूटर की बुक कीपैड के चैप्टर नंबर 5 को स्टडी करने लगे हैं, जिसका नाम है मोर ऑन टक्स पेंट। टक्स एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसकी मदद से आप कंप्यूटर पर कलरिंग और ड्राइंग परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने इस चैप्टर की तरफ और मज़े की ड्राइंग्स बनाना सीखते हैं, शेप्स बनाना सीखते हैं और इसके मजीद टूल्स को डिस्कवर करते हैं। ग्रेड 2 चैप्टर नंबर 5 मोर ऑन टक्स पेंट। टक्स पेंट इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक पेंट meant for drawing and painting. It has a number of tools to help us draw and color. We learned to draw and color in Tux Paint in class 1. Do you remember what the main screen looks like? Let us review it. The blank space in the window is like a page in our drawing book where we can draw and paint. This area is called the canvas. There are also ready-made pictures available which we can color. When we draw on a paper, we use pencil, brushes, colors and eraser. These tools help us to draw and paint. In the same way, the tools for computer drawing are found under Tools. A set of tools is called a toolbar. The choices inside a tool are called the options. अब हम इन tools के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Our first tool is the lines tool. The lines tool lets you draw straight lines. The following steps are: Step 1. Click the lines tool. Step 2. Click a color in the color palette to select it. Step 3. Select the line thickness for the line from the menu on the right. Step 4. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. Step 5. Release the mouse button to finish the line. Text tool. The text tool lets you add text or numbers in the drawing area. The following steps are: Step 1. Click the text tool. A blinking line appears on the canvas. If the line does not appear, click anywhere on the canvas. Step 2. Choose a color from the color palette. Step 3. Also select a text style from the selector on the right. Step 4. Type the text. Step 5. Press the Enter key to move the cursor down one line or press the Tab key to move it to the right. Step 6. To move the text you have typed, click the new place before pressing Enter. The text line will move to that location. अब हम पढ़ेंगे Shapes tool के बारे में. The Shape tools lets you draw some simple filled and unfilled figures. The following steps are: Step 1. Click the Shapes tools. Step 2. Click a color in the color palette to select it. Step 3. Choose the shape you want from the selector on the right. Step 4. Click to select the center, and to start drawing, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it to the size you want. Step 5. Release the mouse to finish. Step 6. Move the mouse to rotate the shape and click to fix it. इस तरीके से आप अपनी shapes को draw कर सकते हैं. Now we will see the razor tool. The razor tool helps you erase or remove any portion of the drawing. The following steps are: Step 1. Click the eraser tool. Step 2. Select an eraser size from the selector. Step 3. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the canvas to erase part or all of the drawing. Step 4. Release the mouse when you finish. चलें अब जो कुछ हमने पढ़ा हम उसे चेक करते हैं. Write down the uses of Shapes tool. ये हमें shapes draw करने में मदद करता है. Text tool. इसकी मदद से हम टेक्स्ट को ऐड कर सकते हैं. Lines tool. इस टूल की मदद से हम अपने कैनवस पर लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं. इरेजर टूल. इरेजर टूल से हम अपनी ड्राइंग के पार्ट्स को या कंप्लीट ड्राइंग को रिमूव कर सकते हैं. अब हम कुछ दूसरे कंट्रोल्स के बारे में भी पढ़ते हैं. There are other tools for various functions like to undo or redo, to save and to open a drawing. There is also a tool for starting a new drawing. New. The new tool will start a new drawing. The following steps are: Step 1. Click the new button. Step 2. A dialog box will appear where you can choose a solid background, color or a starter image. Step 3. Double-click your choice or select it and click Open. Step 4. If you opened a starter image, a dialog box may appear. Step 5. Click Yes, save it. To save your current work, if no dialog appears, continue and later click Save on the toolbar. Undo and redo. Clicking Undo will cancel the last drawing action. Clicking the Redo button will redo the drawing action we just undid or cancelled. With the Undo button, we can undo or redo more than once. Open. The Open tool is used to load a picture that has been saved earlier. Clicking this button will show a list of all the pictures we have saved. Just double-click the picture to open it. Print tool. The print tool is used to print the picture using a printer. On clicking this tool, a dialog box appears. Click Yes, print it. To print the picture using a printer. Click No, take me back. To go back to the previous screen. जरा ये भी चेक करके बताइएगा what are the different kinds of brushes that can be used to draw a line, and find out how you can draw a line of stars, dots and squirrels. The text tool lets you add text or numbers in the drawing area. The shapes tool lets us draw some simple filled and unfilled figures. The lines tool lets us draw straight lines. The eraser tool helps us erase or remove any portion of a drawing. The new tool will start a new drawing. The open tool is used to load a picture that has been saved earlier. The print tool is used to print the picture using a printer. जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस चैप्टर को अब ओवरव्यू करते हैं और देखते हैं हमने कौन कौन से टूल्स को इस चैप्टर में स्टडी किया।